Hello. In this video, we will be providing information regarding the GEODI's data classification solution. We'll go through each heading step by step. What is data classification? Data classification can be thought of as the sorting of your data based on its significance. For instance, data containing personal information is important and should therefore be carefully handled and better protected. Alternatively, high-value bids and contracts are confidential, should be safeguarded more effectively. GEODI classification solution provide the flexibility to perform these tasks both manually and automatically. Benefits of data classification. Classification offers two primary advantages. 1. Revealing risks. Data classification helps identify potential risks within the organization. For example, sensitive information like personally identifiable information, PII, should not be stored in common or insecure folders. Automatic legacy data classification and alarm reports assist in pinpointing and highlighting all such risks. 2. Enhancing data loss prevention. DLP data loss prevention systems work more efficiently when data is properly classified. With a clear classification structure, DLP solutions can better identify and prevent data breaches or unauthorized access. Benefits of data discovery. GEODI's data discovery capabilities enable accurate automated classification. Data discovery reveals hidden risks and the value in your data. Risk mitigation can also be accomplished through masking. Explore our other data discovery courses for additional insights and knowledge on the subject. Automatic versus manual classification. Manual classification involves users manually selecting the appropriate class for data. The responsibility largely falls on them. On the other hand, automatic classification in GEODI is driven by file or email content and predefined rules. This method significantly reduces errors and allows for batch classification of large volumes of files or archives. You can mark files based on specific criteria, such as personally identifiable information, PII, or financial data. Automatic and manual classification rules can vary according to your organization and departments. File classification with Windows Explorer. By using the Windows File Explorer tool, GEODI allows the flexibility to classify all files within a specific folder. You may as well classify individual files. To do so, select a PDF file, right-click on it and select the GEODI Classify option. Automatic classification and various options are available. The specific options displayed are configured by the system administrator and might vary in your particular environment. Classification functionality extends beyond PDF files. You can also classify other file types like AutoCAD files or MP4 video files with ease. Classification in Microsoft Office, Word/Excel/PowerPoint. Classification can also be carried within Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. In our example, we will utilize the Word software. In this example, due to the absence of valuable information, GEODI classified the document content as unclassified. Now, let's input more sensitive data, such as an IBAN and a monetary amount. The classification of the document will automatically change to reflect the appropriate class based on predefined rules. Please note that IBAN and monetary amount examples are used solely for illustration purposes and can be substituted with other sensitive information depending on your organization's needs. As part of the classification process, the GEODI classification plugin offers the capability to create watermarks or tags on documents. The system administrator defines and configures the specific values to be used for each class. While saving, the classification menu will open automatically. You cannot save a file without giving a class unless permission is granted. Mail classification with Microsoft Office Outlook. With GEODI's classification plugin, you can also classify outgoing emails in Microsoft Outlook. According to your organization's preference, different rules may apply to internal emails and specific email domains. This ensures data security and adherence to regulations while customizing classification policies to suit varying security requirements. Mail classification with OWA, Office 365. The classification feature can be utilized in your corporate emails, including Office 365 accessed through a web browser. Let's try the IBAN and monetary example here as well. Once you input sensitive information in the email content, the classification system will automatically assign the appropriate class based on predefined rules, ensuring data protection and compliance with your organization's policies. Classification rules. The rules governing the classification process are defined and set up by your system administrator. These rules can be tailored to suit specific requirements based on the department or software being used. By allowing system administrators to create customized rules, organizations can ensure that data classification aligns with their unique needs and security standards. Monitoring classification activity. GEODI records every classification and class change performed, and these records can be analyzed by the system administrator. Congratulations! You have completed another training session. In this video, we have provided common knowledge on how to use GEODI. More information can be found in our training video series. For further insight, we strongly suggest that you try what you have learned in this video on your own. If you have any further question, please feel free to contact the DJ team.